Today we're going to be fixing a 2005 Nissan Frontier with this issue that it basically has when it tries to close the air circulation button or the air circulation door inside of this dash. And so the easiest way to fix it is just by basically causing it to reset. And so all we're going to be using is some zip ties. But while we're in there, we're going to go ahead and replace the filter, and I'll go ahead and put a link to this in the video description below. Because we're going to need to open up this, and we're going to go ahead and vacuum out that area, clean it up, and then zip tie the area so that it doesn't make this clicking sound anymore. So we're going to go ahead and show the clicking sound one more time. There you go. So let's go ahead and check it out. First thing we're going to be doing is removing this glove compartment. So we're going to go ahead and basically pinch on both of these sides and squeeze in from the outside and go ahead and pull it off. So basically pinch right here. Otherwise, pull this guy down, and then you're going to see this guy back here and a little loop there. And so we're going to basically be pulling that loop off, and that's going to free the glove compartment box to go ahead and pull free. There we go. So next we're going to go ahead and remove this. I went ahead and removed that Phillips screw right there, and you're going to pull down on this tab. There we go. There you go. You're going to push up on it and pull out at the same time. And so then this lets you access these in-cabin air filters. So basically what you can do is push in the middle, pinch it, pull out. And that's going to allow you to get this guy out. Look at that. Full of debris. All right. Here's the other one. Full of debris. Good night. Okay, right now it's in closed circulation. You can see that this thing is open. And so now when we hit the open circulation button, you can see this thing kind of shut on it. Okay, and that stopped it. So basically you need something just to sit there, just to not allow it to go to the full extent of its closure. What that's going to prevent is 100% outside air circulation. So I'm going to push the button again. It's going to open that door back up. So now I'm removing them, and we're going to hear it again. So this is without it. And you can see that guy just kind of beating itself up. And so I'm going to open it back up. So, or this is closed circuit, going to closed circulation. Open circulation. It's shutting. There you go. There's the problem once again. So go to closed circulation. And if you have something that basically prevents it from closing all the way for open circulation, it has to be something substantial enough. I'm going to go to closed circulation. And so basically, if you tie something there, it should be able to prevent that from closing all the way. There you go. So it shouldn't detriment the vehicle to an extent that's an issue. So I'm going to go ahead and tie those things, tie these zip ties in there, so that it allows that guy to not close all the way. Let's give it a good kink. Pull it through. There we go. And zip it in. Okay, so we went ahead and got the zip tie in there, and you can see how I kind of put the head of it down in there. And so what that's going to do is prevent that guy from closing all the way. So right now it's in closed circulation. We move to open circulation. You can see how it's preventing that guy from shutting all the way. Do it again. There you go. All right, so that was the cheapest, easiest fix that you could probably imagine. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put in these in-cabin air filters, and these ones are carbon, so that's pretty good. So that's going to help, you know, prevent all the exhaust, or it's going to filter out some of those exhaust fumes, make it a little safer for you inside the cabin. So we're going to push one in, slide it over. Okay, with the first one in and situated right, I'm going to go ahead and put the second one in. This one should just slide in much easier. There we go. All right. As you can see, it's nice and snug in there. Double check this thing still works. All right, it's good to go. So all we have to do is put this guy back on. These two little tabs where it goes in, push it on, locks it in place. I'll go ahead and put that guy on, replace the glove box. Should be good to go. All right, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks.